Hi there, it's Roy Britton here. In this video I want to talk to you about getting your site ready for the search engines. The other day I created a video about how to start a web business setting up your WordPress website. At the moment I'm going through a series on building a website from scratch and taking you through the process. So let's come back to this page. Now I'm on a platform called ForThe Affiliate. I'll go to my home page on ForThe Affiliate. You see me here. I joined in November 2014, 8 years ago. I've been a member ever since, and I will carry on being a member. It's a great platform. Basically the platform tells you how to build an online business starting from scratch. You can join if you're a total beginner and have no knowledge. You can join if you're experienced or in the middle. When I joined here 8 years ago, I was making money online, but I do like the idea of up-to-date training and being able to mix with like-minded people. But I've got more videos on the ForThe Affiliate platform that you can see on my website, etc. So for this lesson we're going to go back to getting our site ready for the search engines. So let's start by talking about what SEO is, search engine optimization. So I'll open a Google page here. So search engine optimization. So what is optimization in search engine? So search engine optimization is the practice of orienting your website to rank higher on the search engine results page, SERP, so that you can receive more traffic. The aim is to typically rank on the first page of Google results for search terms that mean the most to your target audience. So let me give you an example. I've opened this page here, so I've put in tree stump grinding. Now all these 4 pages here at the top are all this is paid advertising. These are Google ads, so people have paid to get up here. When we scroll down, there's a few videos. Then we come to a natural search. This is actually me. So I'm on the first page, if you like, without paying for anything. It's what we call came up in a natural search. I'm also on the second page on the Facebook page, which I don't use a huge amount. But the fact is I haven't had to pay to get to this position, whereas these people here have had to pay. So this is basically what SEO is. So to help us with our SEO, we need to add something what we call a plugin. In the previous video I mentioned plugins. So here I'm in our WordPress dashboard. I'm on a new website that I set up with no content. Here it is, a countryman's view. So what I've done, let's go back actually. Plugins. So we've got on here. In our plugin section, there's already the SEO framework that's automatically put on. No, I've never used the SEO framework, and I was thinking about trying it, but because I'm familiar with another SEO plugin, I'm going to use that. So let's go to Add New, and I'm going to click in here. So this is the one I normally use, Yoast SEO. I've got it all on all my websites. I like the simplicity of it. I'm not saying the others are bad or anything, but it's what I've got used to. So what I normally look at is, you can see here, Yoast has got the most reviews, 27,500. All-in-one, which is popular, has 2,658 reviews. And don't know about this one. That's not one I'm familiar with, but it has 5,000 reviews. But the SEO framework has 311 views. So let's just go here. So this is all-in-one SEO, mainly 5 stars. A few other not so. You always get a few people with 1 star who may just put it just for the sake of it. All of these I don't think are bad, but let's have a look at the SEO framework. Got very good 5 stars, only 2 people giving it 1 star. So it could be, being a newer product, it could be quite good, but I'm going to stick with what I know, and I'm going to use the SEO, Yoast SEO. and we're going to install that. Just out of interest, let's go to more details and see what it is. It's always good to check that plugins have been updated. So this was updated 2 weeks ago. Active installations 5+ million. Average rating is 5-star. So to me it's a very good option. The ratings almost say use Yoast SEO, but my main reason is because I use it on my other websites, so I'm used to using it. I don't want to start using things that work in a different way. So let's go to install now. That's installing. So now we're going to activate it. And then we're going to go to, I'm going to go to install plugins. Now this gives us the option to go premium, but I'm not going to, because there's I don't think the premium's worth it, but I'm not saying it's bad, but I don't use a premium, I just use a basic one. So if we go to another one of my websites, I just want to show you, I'm going to go to a post, all posts, so I'm going to go to edit. So this is in the dashboard or back office. So here is my Yoast SEO. So it tells me what's wrong, but it also says for the Yoast SEO I've got, it's glowing green, so it's happy with what I've done, and the readability is good. Now let's see what it says. So it says title width is too long, try to make it shorter. I can't really. It says use more key phrases in the subheadings, which I haven't done. So there are more things I could do to this, which I might do later, but the main thing is it's glowing green. You can see it down here, it says good, it says readability is good. So let's click on the readability. Passive voice, always something I struggle with, but potentially I can click here and it will underline where I've got passive voice. So here, see there, I've got passive voice. If you don't know what passive voice is, this is probably the easiest way to explain it. You click on there and Yoast will tell you what passive voice is. So that's that. So there's one more thing I'm going to do while I'm here. Now this isn't actually SEO, but here, let's go to the dash, let's go to posts, and then I'm going to go to add new. Now WordPress changed something, I don't know, probably a couple of years ago, to something called the block editor. I don't actually use it. I think it's good, but once again I'm just using the simple solution. So we're going to go back. You can see how that looks like. We're going to go back to plugins and we're going to go add new, and I'm going to install what they call the classic editor. I do have a video on this, but from a previous video. We're going to click install now. That's installed. We're going to go back to our installed plugins, classic editor. We're going to activate it. So that's now activated. Might just refresh this, and let's go to our posts. Let's go to add new, and then you can see this is the traditional how a traditional WordPress editor used to be. So you just put your title here, your content here, you've got your Yoast SEO here, and various things down here, which I will talk about another day. So if you've got any questions on this video, please let me know. I'm here to help. In the next video we're going to be talking about creating our initial website content, so we'll explain more about that in the next lesson. Thanks very much for watching.